Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to move this start menu and all of these pinned programs to the left of the taskbar where they used to be. So to start, simply click on the start button, go to settings, personalization, and in here we have taskbar right at the bottom. You can see it here. Click on it, and then in here taskbar behavior, and we have left. So it's center like it is now, or left like it used to be back in the day, and many prefer this variant still because it gives you plenty of space for other apps. So now we have it right here, and now we have it right here where many prefer to have it. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.